Now we're going to add and subtract bases. So this is really similar to doing it in base 10. It's just when you add in base 10, like when you do 5 plus 7, you get a number, you get 12. And so you have to write down the 2 and carry the 1 because the sum was bigger than 10. And so you carried it in that, so you got 12. So working in other bases is the same way. You just can't go higher than the base it's in. So say you're doing 32 in base 6 plus 54 in base 6. And you can't add bases, two different bases together. They need to be in the same base if you want to add them together. So you can do 2 plus 4 is 6, but that's like if you got to 10. So you write down a 0 and you carry the 1. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 1 is 9. That's again over 6, so you subtract 6 from it. So you get 3, you carry 1, and since there was nothing left to add, you wrote down the 1. You get 130 base 6. Now subtracting bases is similar. If you have a bigger number minus a smaller number, then you're going to get a positive number. If you have a smaller number minus a bigger number, you're going to get a negative number. So say you want to do 54 base 6 minus 32 base 6. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then 5 minus 3 is 2. It also works when you have numbers that are a little bit funnier. So say you had 52 minus 34 in both in base 6. So you have 2 minus 4, which you can't really do. So you have to do 4, and then you add 6 to the 2. So instead of adding a 1, because then base 10, you're adding a 10 to it, you're adding a 6 to this. So it's 8 minus 4, which is 4, and then you do 4 minus 3, which is 1.